So basically yung clipping, you're just gonna make short videos for creator or brand for them to boost their marketing and sales. Okay? So yan, kunwari si Chris Brown, kailangan niya ng promotion or like marketing sa kanta niya. Nag-set up siya ng campaign dito sa WOP para ma-boost yung marketing niya. So ayan, you'll get paid for the views you generate. Ito for example, CPM ang tawag dyan, cost per 1,000 views. $1.20 per 1K views. So meaning, if you get like 100K views on your clip that you can make like 10 to 15 minutes and you post it on your own page and then you generate views and then you submit it to WOP, you're gonna earn $100 kasi for example, nagkaroon ka ng 100K views sa clip mo, you're gonna earn $100 per clip. Gets? So yun, ganun siya kadali. Clipping is like marketing for creators and brands. And kailangan nila yun kasi they need to increase their marketing and their sales, which is, ayun.